So family game night, guys. Today is Clue. We're all in our characters. We have Mr. Green, Groucho Marx.
No, Dr. Plum. I mean Professor Plum.
Dr. Orchid. And Colonel Mustard. And how come you're not dressed in character?
Hey, I am.
Your character was supposed to have a shirt.
I know. I don't want to wear it. I don't want to wear anything, so I'm just
The rules are as follows. Everybody is in their starting locations, right, guys?
Yep.
This yellow chip is gonna go in the middle. That is the time that the toy was broken. So we're going to randomly place these in each room. So if everybody wants to put them in the room.
I'm Professor Plum.
You have sticky fingers?
Yes.
Maybe you're the thief.
No, I'm not.
One of these is gonna be the broken toy. This, that right there, is the broken toy. Is each one of the characters is gonna get a toy put underneath them. Starting with the youngest person, we're gonna roll the dice.
I'm the youngest.
You're the youngest, so you go first. You got a pencil up your nose.
I know. A toy. 1, 2.
Your turn.
Why'd you check under mine?
No peeking.
Come here. You can't peek through.
Your
That's
turn.
cheating.
Or Dad's turn.
1, 2, 3, 4. So now, because I landed on the yellow square, I can peek under the green couch.
Why'd you sneak up on me? Hey!
Ah, my monocle.
That's karma.
White. Who am I gonna peek under now? Should I look under?
Look at the doctor.
And you. I got my eye on you.
With a bee in your head. Really light.
So now what does he get to do?
Actually, it's a hornet in your hair, Drew.
He gets to look under any kind of character.
Okay, now mark off what you saw. So you're gonna do.
I'm looking at Dr. Orchid.
That's not Dr. Orchid.
Yes, it is.
I've been moving this person.
That's Miss Scarlett.
I moved the wrong person?
You did.
Well, now you guys are gonna be Miss Scarlett now.
Yeah, see,
I'm just in the wrong color.
see, Mom, I was telling you that.
We had a whole conversation about that at the beginning.
I totally missed that.
No, you were participating and you said, no, that's not Dr. Orchid, that's fuchsia.
Just switch Dr. Orchid.
No, you guys said that's not purple, and I said it's fuchsia.
And I said, oh, look, I have makeup.
You said she has makeup.
Oh, well.
I can check the film. Okay.
Hey, give me back.
Your turn.
Stop poking me with it. I was not poking you with it.
I think Mason knows.
Why?
Because you smiled as soon as you...
No. This
White.
is because I was thinking that it would be Drew.
Drewster. It is your turn.
One, two.
Good.
Good job.
Good call, buddy. Way
Very
to use your
good
strategy.
Then why did you get that hat? You don't need it.
In the old style you did. You like my mustache?
You look like one of the safari guys.
That's the point. In the old Clue, when Mom and Dad were your age, this is what he looked like.
Can I try these glasses on?
Sure.
What do you think?
What those glasses are those?
I think I look pretty.
too?
Like math.
I don't know what toy though. Or what time. Do you?
I know what toy. You guys should do an Eskimo kiss. Oh. Are you filming?
You probably shouldn't have done
I am 2 rolls away from potentially knowing the answer.
that. For real?
Yes, I need to figure out one more toy and one more time.
How are you doing there? Oh, looks like Dad's got the answer because he's putting his smart monocle on. He's so smart he only needs one eyeglass.
But I always end up with the costumes with one eye. I was Cyborg with the same thing.
You're right. How come people wore monocles?
I don't know, it's the weirdest thing ever, isn't it?
Did they have like
It's
one
not even
side or did they
practical.
have to like wink it in?
I have to wink it in.
Yeah, but real monocles.
I don't know. I know that it was you, Miss Scarlett. You broke the ball at 3 o'clock.
Me?
Oh. What the heck? No.
I was gonna say I don't have 3 o'clock.
I must have wrote something down wrong in the distractions. So I'm out.
Colonel Mustard.
You boys distracted me. How did I get that time? Are you sure?
Always everybody else's faults. Order! Order in the court!
Well, that did not go well. What the heck happened?
I don't know.
How did I get that wrong time? Okay.
I had no choice.
Yellow!
No
Yeah!
choice but to take it back.
I know time. I know everything.
Okay, pass me the dice. I get my turn.
And then I get to win.
Unless you were distracted too.
I know.
Colonel, what's your name?
Colonel Mustard? There was the old switcheroo for Colonel Mustard.
What the old switcheroo?
You guys switched the times on Colonel Mustard.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright. I know what time, the toy, and the present. It was Miss Scarlett, and the toy that was broken was a balloon or a ball. Whatever it was. And it was broken at 1 o'clock.
Let's find out.
1 o'clock, and it was a ball.
And look under Miss Scarlett.
Not to be confused with Miss Orchid.
We have a winner,
Good
Mr.
job,
Green.
Good job, Mr. Green.
You know, I almost thought it was the dog in the kitchen with the pasta. Okay, Mason, family game night is over. You are the winner, Mr. Green. And what did you think of Junior Clue?
Thought
Junior.
it was a 10 to rate it, and it's one of the best games I've played.
Yeah? What did you like about it?
It's like you have to solve all these mysteries and stuff, and I also like what I won because I just needed to figure it out, but I need to see what's under.
If I got
This
it,
one says 1
I was going to check under
All right.
you.
and
So,
this one has a
Let's
ball.
check. Can you check to see what age the box is for? Because I think it was a little long for Drew, right, Jojo?
It says ages 5 and up.
But would we recommend?
And it's boring.
Well,
I think we have a very active one.
and I think maybe it would be better for older kids. I personally would say 8 and up, just because of attention spans of 5 and 6 year olds.
Unless we have a unique one.
All right. So
Probably do.
I would play this again. How about you, Mason?
Yeah.
How about you, Miss Scarlett Plum?
I would too, but I would be in my jogging pants.
Okay, this is Colonel Mustard signing off.
And it says 5 and older grades.
Hey, Colonel Mustard, come over here.
You're a kook.
I
Okay, say bye, everybody.
You guys.
Bye.